Starting a fitness journey from the comfort of your own home has never been easier. With the right equipment, you can build strength, improve endurance, and enhance your overall health. Today we'll explore the top home workout equipment for beginners to kickstart your fitness routine. Resistance bands. Resistance bands are versatile, affordable, and perfect for beginners. They provide resistance for muscle engagement and can be used for a wide range of exercises, including squats, rows, and bicep curls. The variety of resistance levels makes them suitable for all fitness levels. Dumbbells. Dumbbells are excellent for strength training and can help you build muscle and increase bone density. For beginners, it's advisable to start with a set of light to moderate weight dumbbells and gradually increase the weight as you progress. Yoga mat. A yoga mat provides a comfortable and non-slip surface for a variety of exercises, including yoga, Pilates, and bodyweight workouts. It's essential for protecting your joints and providing stability during exercises. Stability ball. A stability ball is an excellent tool for core strength and balance training. It can be used for exercises like stability ball squats, planks, and seated dumbbell presses. Choose a size that suits your height. Jump rope. Jumping rope is an effective way to improve cardiovascular fitness, coordination, and agility. It's a low-cost, portable option for cardio workouts that can be done indoors or outdoors. Foam roller. A foam roller is essential for self-myofascial release, helping to relieve muscle tension and improve flexibility. It's an excellent recovery tool after workouts. Remember to start slowly, focus on proper form, and gradually increase the intensity of your workouts as you progress.